Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be discussing Mount Stromboli in Italy. So here is Mount Stromboli. It is off the northern coast of Sicily. This is just kind of an aerial image of the volcano. So here at the top you can see kind of a crater shape. In this image it's just kind of a more 3D zoomed in look at the top. You can see the crater, as well as this picture. This is just a side image. So Stromboli is a composite volcano and it is placed on a convergent plate boundary. So this is an image of Stromboli erupting. The most recent eruption occurred on August 29th, 2019. When Stromboli erupts, it is effusive with minor lava flows. So you can see here, this red, that there is some lava, but it is nowhere near the amount of lava that would occur if the volcano was explosive. So in this image right here, while Stromboli remains consistently low on the danger scale, an eruption occurred in 2014 and it showed a huge burst of lava, and you can see in this picture it's the difference between the two eruptions. Okay, so this is just kind of a simplified version of what goes on underneath Mount Stromboli. So you can see in the image that the African plate is subducted underneath the Eurasian plate, and that motion is what can cause the minor eruptions. So activity over time. Mount Stromboli is one of the most active volcanoes on Earth. It has been in continuous eruption for the past 2,000 years, and the most recent, like I said, was just last year. The threats that Stromboli imposes on humans and the environment, the impact is relatively small due to it being effusive. While its eruptions only mostly create minor lava flows, the potential for danger is still there. Like we saw in 2014, that amount of lava was completely unexpected. So the potential for a lot of things to happen is still there. And here are my resources. Thank you guys so much for watching.